Whenever it gets later in the year, it feels like time just passes faster and faster and faster. How is September over already? That was horrible.
Yeah, no, it was a little too solid.
I wanted to show you this ginormous bag of hot Cheetos that I got. It's so big. This is from Costco, by the way. Literally a newborn in my hands. Here is my update for the color matching for Blue Alert. I'm having a lot harder of a time trying to match the cream than the beige. I feel like this is still a little too yellow. Yeah. So I need to adjust it a little bit, but that's how far I am with color matching on the cream. Here are all the beige ones that I casted. This is my Year of the Dragon sculpt, my carved blank design. I'll be infilling this with the blue and maybe the cream. I'll see how it looks when I infill cream. I feel like it would make a more subtle design. This is the cream and the beige. And then the infill is going to be this blue. Slowly making progress on these. Here's a plant update that nobody asked for. I recently, and by recently I mean like a month or two ago, got this new plant from the nursery and it came in one pot. I decided to repot it and I found that all 4 of them were attached to the same root system, like the same root ball. But I decided to, as carefully as possible, rip them apart and separate them. So this is the biggest one. So this is the biggest one. This was the main one. And then there's these 3 that were sprouting from the sides. And I was scared that after repotting them, they would just die because they were so small, especially this one back here. But there's a new leaf. It's a little scuffed because they've been trying to survive the replant. They were in shock for a little bit. So the 2 of these are sprouting new leaves. This one isn't yet. Neither is the big one. But at least they're looking pretty healthy. Hello. Last night was when I released my collab artisans for GMK Blue Alert. So up until now, for collabs, I've always done raffles. And this is the first time for a collab that I've done a first come first serve normal shop drop on my website. So that was a little nerve-wracking. The reason why I wanted to not do a raffle is because I feel like recently the raffles that I've had in the last couple months, they're just so annoying to deal with because I've been ghosted way too many times. But yeah, if you bought one, thank you so much. I guess whatever I have left over, I'll probably be taking to, what was it called? Fall in the Keeps? I think it's called Fall in the Keep, the UCSD event that's happening on November 2nd. So. Just tastes like vanilla.